By measuring the force, we can ascertain whether a material is injectable and how changing the needle and syringe size, or the formulation, processing and chemistry, can affect the injectability.
This technique is fast and simple, can be used with a variety of needle and syringe geometries, and requires little data processing to obtain the key force values.
This method is particularly applicable for injectable biomaterials such as hydrogels and cements for sustained drug delivery and tissue engineering applications.
To set up the mechanical tester, attach flat compression testing platens to the mechanical tester and manually equip the tester with a load cell with a maximum load of 200 newtons. Use the manual control buttons to separate the platens to allow approximately 30 centimeters of space for the needle, syringe, and plunger. To create a testing protocol, open the test wizard in the device software and set the test type to uniaxial compression. Set the measured force preload value at which the testing will begin, and adjust the speed to preload to 5 mm per minute to set the speed at which the crosshead will move down until it encounters the preload. Set the loading to displacement control and select an appropriate test speed. Then set an upper force limit at which to stop the test. To set up the clamping system, attach 2 sets of clamps with grips large enough to securely ensconce the selected syringe to 2 stands. Place the grips between the crosshead and the base plate with enough space below the grips for the syringe and needle, and line up the centers of the grips with the center of the crosshead. Use an empty syringe to help with the alignment.